Welcome to the Carriage Commercial Systems video tutorials for Navigator. This video will review how to create a basic order for a regular customer. In order to begin a customer order, you need to navigate to the new customer order screen. Then, you need to search for the correct customer, enter the item information of the order, and process the payment. Click on the Order Management drop-down from the Applications tab. Select Manage Orders and a new window will populate. Click on the New Order drop-down at the top of the screen. Then, select New Customer Order. The order entry prompt will appear. Type in your search criteria into the keyword search field. You can search by account number, description, name, DBA, city, state, or phone number. Once you find a desired customer, click on the customer record. The customer order window will appear. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the account number and select the Edit Header option. From the header screen, enter the PO number in the PO field. You can also edit other information like order date, job name, ship date, and via. Make sure that the ship via and ship date fields are filled with the correct information. Confirm that the salesperson branch, warehouse, and suppliers are correct. Verify the order specifications like order type, handling, reason code, and job number. You can leave fields on blank if applicable. Verify the state tax or other tax codes are correct. If the customer is a tax exempt, you should see a tax exempt ID. Also, make sure the final destination information is entered as needed. Verify the delivery options and see if there are price discounts or extra charges. Make sure the customer price list is filled correctly. In case where the customer does not need to be charged tax, you can click on the Make Non-Taxable button and the tax code will be removed. Enter the reason on the reason description field from the prompt, then click on the Continue button. Click on the Save button to close the header. To add items on the order, enter the item details and click on the Add button. If the item number is unknown, click on the drop-down arrow next to the item number field. The item search prompt will display. Use the keyword search field to find the item number. You can opt to include discount inventory or to only include items with inventory. Once located, click on the desired product. Fill the item quantity and and click on the Add button. If there is a possibility of a duplicate customer order, the system will populate a prompt alerting of the potential duplicate orders in the system. If you wish to inquire about the potential customer orders, click on the arrow to the right of an order and select from the following: View, Delete Current and Switch, or Leave Current and Switch. If there is no need to review the potential duplicates in question and you wish to proceed with your item selection, click Continue at the bottom of the prompt. If Inventory Selection Optimize is set up to run, the system will automatically select the inventory. Click on the Add Select Inventory button to continue. You can always select Manual Inventory Selection whether or not ISO is activated. To make a selection, click on the record holding the desired inventory. The inventory's information is transferred to the fields at the top of the screen. Click Add Line twice to add the desired inventory to the order. Repeat the process until all the items are added to the order. Once you're finished, click on the Process Order at the bottom of the screen. In the Complete Order prompt, enter the cashier code. Select the Payment Amount option applicable and click on the drop-down to select the payment method. Once completed, click Apply Payment. After the payment has been applied, click Continue. The End of Order option prompt will populate. You must select what you want to happen once the order has processed. If you click to return to order, the ordering process will stop and leave the unprocessed reference as is. Click on Submit button to finalize the order. Once the process is finalized, the success prompt will display. You can choose if you want to return to the order management or create another customer order for this account. To retrieve the process order, key in the reference number in the reference number field and click Submit. If you require further assistance, contact your company's internal help desk and ensure to follow your company's standard operating procedures. Thank you for watching.